Cadmus Tyro served as equerry to Captain Ulrach Branfan of the 65th Clan Company of the Iron Hands during the Horus Heresy. Surviving the Istvan V dropsite massacre, Tyro would retreat from the planet aboard the Iron Hands vessel Sisypheum with a contingent of his legion. Assuming command of the Iron Hands whilst the wounded Captain Branfan underwent treatment within the Apothecarian stasis chambers, Tyro would lead his men alongside Shadrach Medusan, unaware that the visage of his battle brother was an imposter of the Alpha Legion. With the fake Medusan's true allegiance revealed, Tyro would organize his men's escape from the Hydra's trap, later taking part in the campaign of the War Orphans Loyalist Warband to procure the genetic material of the Primarchs, the Magna Mater. Alongside Atesh Tarsa, Ulrach Branfan, and Nikona Sharokin, Tyro would sacrifice his life at the side of his battle brother and captain, Branfan, to allow Sharokin to escape the facility with the Magna Mater. Facing the elite Justaran Guard of the Sons of Horus, Tyro's final moment would exhibit the stubborn defiance characteristic of the 10th Legion. His duty and dignity of his legion and Primarch Ferrus Manus, absolute.